It's half-time and super fantastic match for Orlando Pirates after scoring the 2 goals of this match between Richards Bay versus Orlando Pirates. But Patrick Maswanganyi scored 2 goals while Lebohile Mofokeng assisted all goals. But first goal scored in only 22 seconds and another goal scored on 26 minutes. So less on 22 seconds, 22 minutes and 26 minutes. So that is half-time, and that is round of 13 of Nedbank Cup that we are witnessing today. Richards Bay until half-time. Yes, that is what's got from Orlando Pirates. What the Orlando Pirates did in South Africa Premiership League, also did in CAF Champions League, also